Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable friend requests and have a little bit more control over them. So what you need to do is go to user settings and go here, friend requests. Now maybe you don't want random people to send you friend requests, so you can control everything here. Now, who can send you friend requests? If this is turned on, everyone can send you. Server members, random people that found you, I don't know where, online maybe, or on screenshots or something, they just found you. So everybody can send you, even though they're not friends of your friends or they're not in your server member, in your server. But yeah, everyone. Uh, Now, friends of friends, it pretty much means that if your friend has a friend on Discord, that friend can send you a friend request. If you don't want this, you can turn this off. Server members, every server you join, pretty much every server you join, all the people in that server will be able to send you a friend request. Now, if you don't want that, you can, of course, turn it off. But yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe and please leave a like. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.